Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another short nail art tutorial to share, and I'm going to be showing you how I created these little hippos on my nails. I painted these for Dimension Nails' July 2020 Nail Art Challenge. The original design was inspired by Adventures in Acetone, and she created some adorable little purple hippos. So that's where I got my initial inspiration from, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. I'm starting off with UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat. This next step is a little hard to describe, but I'm going to use Essie's Serene Slate, which is a medium toned stone gray cream polish, and I'm going to paint half in oval shape starting in the middle of my nail. And this is actually the first Essie polish that I own that has a wide brush, so it made this part really easy to do. Then I'm going to take a large dotting tool dipped in Serene Slate, and I'm going to paint 2 dots at the top of that oval as the ears. For the eyes, I'm going to take a smaller dotting tool dipped in some white polish, and I'm going to create 2 smaller ovals in the middle of that first larger gray oval. Then I'm going to go back in with the polished brush from Serene Slate and paint the hippo snout. Then I'll paint 2 small black dots in the center of those white ovals to finish off the eyes, and then I'm going to use a detail brush dipped in black to outline the snout. Finally, I'm going to add 2 large black dots as the nostrils and finish it off with a glossy top coat. Here are the finished hippopotamus nails. So that's all for today's nail art video. Again, this design was initially inspired by Adventures in Acetone, and I created them for week 4 of Dimension Nails' July 2020 Nail Art Challenge. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below and check out some of my other nail art tutorials by clicking your screen or the link down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!